You're disappointed not because of other people's behavior but because of your own expectations. It's a fact that people will let you down. Again and again. They'll show you their true colors eventually. Learn to expect only from the one who made you. The Almighty always delivers. Almighty, help us to let go of the harmful things we don't understand, people who take advantage of us and disappoint us, and those with evil intent towards us. Help us to unload the weary weight off our shoulders and embrace the good you have put in our path. Amen. With the Almighty, the impossible is possible. So keep supplicating, because He will make sure that when the doors open, you're certainly prepared to go through it. He knows when you're ready, He will give it at the precise time. So don't fret. Just keep asking. When you're being tested, it's important to keep your focus in the right direction. If you let Satan mess with your mind, you're going to lose the plot and end up miserable. Remember, where you choose to focus is where your life will head. Keep the Almighty in sight always. When you live with an attitude of gratitude, you're protecting yourself from evil and all forms of negativity. You don't feel discouraged because you have a grateful heart. Keep nurturing that feeling. Seek the Almighty always and you'll overcome the hardships in your life. Don't let this world make you bitter, hard and cold-hearted. No matter how bad things are, don't let whatever happens to you make you unkind and unfeeling. It's not okay to hurt or be mean to others. No matter how they treat you, choose to be the better person. Rise above it all. We need to stop blaming others for the things that happen in our lives. Learn to take ownership of our problem, assess our strength and weakness. Don't focus solely on the wrongs, as it can become demoralizing. But we need to recognize our faults, correct them and get back on track. No matter what others say about you, no matter how hard they try to twist the truth, take heart knowing that the Almighty knows what's in your heart. He knows your intent. He knows what the outcome will be. So don't fret. Let people have their say. In the end, only He matters. It's in the nature of man to let others down. Don't be upset when someone disappoints you, fails you and shows you who they truly are. It's to be expected. It happens to the best of us. It's not within your control. Take it in your stride, move on, knowing you've done your best. Tomorrow is perhaps the most overrated word. Everyone wants to do something tomorrow, start praying tomorrow, change for the better tomorrow, get that piece of work done tomorrow. But you know what? Most of the time, it doesn't happen. What if tomorrow never comes? Do it today.